out of the fan. Thank you, love. So the only liquids that I have is the $10 less oil and the $10 panelines and the $15 jug. Hey, bleach please. Main squeeze, almost said your name, like your real name. Main squeeze, can I FaceTime you after the live or call you? Yeah. Girl, I forgot other stuff I had to tell you. You should definitely go live again. Well, if you feel like it. If you're like, you're tired, okay, don't do it. Because I gotta tell you about where you jump into. Or who, I should say. Something not right over there. I know the chat's quiet. They are so quiet tonight. Like, I don't know what the hell is going on. This is not the vibe I was going for. Yes, relaxation, but I was trying to talk to y'all. Like, hey, hi. Y'all falling asleep? Or Maria lying to me? I always feel bad, like, too, when I join a live and then, like, the person is talking to the chat and, like, nobody's saying anything back. Or they're like, put hearts in the chat for this or that. And then, like, nobody does it. Like, bro. And so, like, that's how I feel right now. I feel like, dang, like, make me feel down. I don't really watch crime documentaries. Like, some, like, documentaries like this, like, could be good, but at the same time, like, documentaries bore me. Aww. Cute pictures. I got you so tired. Wake up, girl. Main squeeze, you tap in with your heart me, girl. Go on ahead. Y'all need to tap in with y'all's heart me's. I can tell when y'all don't got heart me. I can see. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Katie. You love the paste. A watery paste. That's good. I see that, Gilsey. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tapping in with that heart me. No, not the rose, just send heart me. Thank you. Gotta get you on my team, girl. Oh my god, thank you for the gift. What the heck was that little guitar thing? Oh my god, I got the hand heart. Okay, richness. Hey, pretty little squeezer. She said, dang, give me a second. Yes. The heart me is like way more important to me as a gift instead of like a rose or something. Like, as long as you tap in with the heart me, I'm good. Her richness. Does anyone want to add? I think I'm about to get off. Thank y'all for the heart me's. Okay, y'all locking in. Period. Locking in. And if you're new here, hit the follow. I know I'm missing some comments now because I'm scrolling, like I'm taking these out and get me out for the ordinary. Oh my god. Oh my god. I bet y'all never seen somebody do that, huh? That's the fast aggressive ASMR. I took him out for the overlay. She's like, ha 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 ha, again. Ha 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 ha, again. I forgot where that's from. Tickle me Elmo. What? I got that night owl stuff in here. Girl, I didn't even sing that right now. I keep scratching my pinky and it's like getting irritated because I keep scratching it. But by accident, I'm sorry. Oh. Yes. Oh. Hi, baby. Hey, shut the fuck up. You already made it. I know you ran here a little earlier. But now I'm about to get off. Not the silent much. What do you mean?